Hello friends, Namaskaram, Har Har Mahadev, Jai Shiv Shambhu. In today's class, we will discuss an important judgment of Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court, which is dated 19th of Feb 2026. In that case, the FIR has been registered as per Section 318 Subclause 4, Section 319 Subclause 2, Section 336 Subclause 3, Section 338, Section 340 Subclause 2 of BNS. The allegation was that the bank account was opened by the accused persons. The accused persons are also named in the FIR. It is an allegation that by having the misuse of the account of the complainant, the concerned accused persons, by acting in the hand in glove position and in consequence of the criminal conspiracy, did the transactions of rupees 1 crore. The concerned complainant submitted that the amount did not belongs to him, and apart from that, he is having no knowledge of the alleged transaction. He submitted that his Aadhaar card, PAN card has been misused by the concerned accused person to open the account, and the amount has also been withdrawn without his knowledge. So basically, he submitted that the accused has forged the consent document with intention to cheat him and to misuse his account. And in addition to this, it is submitted that one of the accused has linked his mobile number with the account so that the money could be withdrawn and the undue benefit could be taken of the scenario. So in that case, the accused was arrested. He submitted that he is in custody since a long time. As we know that long time custody could not be a ground to avail the bail plea, but we have to specify that the concerned prosecution failed to take the positive step in the case resulted in the undue incarceration of the accused. So in that scenario, we could easily chalk out the case of violation of Article 21. And apart from that, we could submit that the charge sheet means challan had been submitted and trial will take a very long time. And the concerned accused, if named in the FIR, it could not be a ground to decline the bail plea. So basically, if all the submissions are done in the effective way, we could increase or enhance our chance to get the bail plea. But I want to clarify that whenever a case is concerned with cheating, forgery, or with cyber fraud, basically we have to give the plausible explanation of the concerned transactions. Basically, we have to show that it is not the financial fraud. Basically, the concerned accused and complainant is having the civil dispute. So if we are totally unable to give the plausible explanation, we could not be succeeded. So regarding this, I request all of you to have a proper cash flow statement or fund flow statement so that we could easily specify that we are having no role in the crime, and in case we are having the amount in our account, so we have to specify the route of the rotation of money so that we could specify that basically the consent transaction is a civil dispute, but consent complainant by concealing or by compromising the material fact inter alia converted a civil dispute into a criminal prosecution. So I think that it is not easy to get a bail in case involving cheating and forgery, but by submitting the plea in the effective in easy way, we could have the remedy. So basically the entire thing are inter alia connected with the finance. You got my point. These are connected with the accounts. So by doing the accounting in the simple way, without any panic, we could be succeeded. So basically we have to give the plausible explanation. So if we are succeeded, we could internally enhance our chance to get the bail plea from the consent court. So in that case, the bail plea was allowed and finally the accused got the benefit. So whenever you are having the case, just make your case systematic and properly organized so that you could convey to the honorable court that a civil dispute had been converted into a criminal case. So if we submit in this way, we could enhance our chance to get the bail from the consent court. So I think that I have specified you the way to get the bail concerning the offenses of cheating and forgery, more specifically when they involve the cyber fraud. See you in the next video. Till then, Har Har Mahadev, Jai Shiv Shambhu.